Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make leche flan using whole egg. First, let's create that beautiful caramel topping. Combine about 1/2 cup of white sugar with 2 tablespoons of water directly in your chosen mold. Gently heat it, swirling until it transforms into a lovely amber. Make sure the entire bottom is coated, then set it aside to cool and harden. This forms the delicious base for our flan. Next, we'll prepare the creamy custard. In a bowl, gently whisk 5 large whole eggs, being careful not to create too many bubbles. Then, slowly incorporate 1 14-ounce can of condensed milk and 1 12-ounce can of evaporated milk. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract to enhance the flavor. For that signature silky smooth texture, strain your custard mixture 2 to 3 times to remove any air bubbles or egg bits. Now it's time to cook our leche flan. Carefully pour your strained custard mixture into the mold, over the hardened caramel, filling it about 3/4 full. Cover the mold tightly with aluminum foil to protect the custard from condensation. Place it in a steamer over simmering water, ensuring the heat is low. Steam for approximately 25 to 35 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean, indicating it's perfectly cooked. Once cooked, let your leche flan cool down completely at room temperature. This is crucial for its texture. Then, transfer it to the refrigerator and chill for at least 4 hours, though overnight is best for optimal setting and flavor development. Before serving, run a thin knife around the edges of the mold, place a serving plate on top, and confidently invert it. Don't forget to check the description for a link to a fantastic book about money, plus other great deals. Enjoy your homemade, perfectly creamy leche flan.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.